How to use ActiveTrail Pro marketing properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. ActiveTrail Pro is an advanced marketing platform, but many beginners fail to unlock its full potential. The surprising truth is that even with a pro account, poor setup can lead to wasted effort and low engagement. The first mistake is not segmenting your contacts. ActiveTrail Pro allows you to create dynamic lists based on user behavior, location, and engagement. Beginners often send the same email to everyone, reducing relevance. For example, targeting only users who opened a previous campaign increases engagement and conversion rates. Another error is introducing automation workflows. ActiveTrail Pro supports advanced automations, including welcome sequences, abandoned cart emails, and behavioral triggers. Beginners frequently manage these tasks manually, wasting time and risking inconsistent messaging. Properly set up automations keep communication timely and personalized. A third mistake is ignoring app testing. Testing subject lines, content, and send times ensures that your campaigns are optimized. Beginners often skip this, assuming their first version is enough. ActiveTrail's app tools help identify which messages resonate most with your audience. Many users also neglect SMS marketing. ActiveTrail Pro supports SMS campaigns alongside email, but beginners often ignore this channel. SMS messages have higher open rates up to 98%, making them a powerful complement to email campaigns. Finally, beginners often overlook analytics. ActiveTrail Pro provides detailed insights on clicks, opens, conversions, and ROI. Not analyzing this data means missing opportunities to improve campaigns. Regular review ensures continuous optimization and better results. To use ActiveTrail Pro effectively, segment your audience, leverage automation, run app tests, incorporate SMS, and monitor analytics. Avoiding these mistakes ensures your marketing is efficient, targeted, and high-performing.